Hello everyone. In this video, we are just going to understand in a basic form what do you meant by operating system and what is meant by an real-time operating system. Let's get started. What is OS or operating system? So operating system is also called a resource manager, which actually does two main things. One is scheduling tasks and other one is controlling peripherals, and it actually allocates a resource for each of the task that is running and also for each of the peripheral that is controlled by the hardware. And then what is the difference between an operating system and a real-time operating system? So the real-time operating system is also similar to the operating system. It does the same thing as the operating system, except that it has an deadline guarantee for scheduling tasks and also for controlling peripheral. It does the same thing with a deadline guarantee, that is, it operates in a real time constrained manner for completing the task. So this operation of the real-time operating system is much more predictable and it has a time constraint for completing each task rather than operating system. An example for operating system is the Windows OS that is running in our PC or laptop, in which we can do various number of tasks like creating document, printing a document, editing photos, sending email, playing games, etc. So you can see there are varieties of tasks that can be done by the operating system, in which time is not a constraint and the result is not predictable. But in case of real-time operating system, the example you can take is a water level controller, in which we have only a set of tasks running, minimal amount of tasks running. One may be useful for reading the water levels through sensors, and one may be useful for controlling the motor pump for pumping the water from ground to the water tank in the top of the building. So when you take this particular example for real-time operating system, the result is predictable and it has a time constraint and it must complete all the tasks within a deadline guarantee. So this is the difference between real-time operating system and an operating system. And in real-time operating system, the time of execution of task is also important in addition with the execution of task. And it has only a few number of tasks. From the example that I mentioned, that is the water level controller, we can tell the RTOS is simple than operating system. The RTOS works within a time constraint and has a predictable behavior and time well before. So I hope you understood in a whole what is the difference between operating system and what is an operating system and what is a real-time operating system in this particular video. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.